Hello students, welcome back to your EVS class. Hope students you have enjoyed your holidays and side by side you have studied also. So I'm sure you remember that we are in the chapter 2 inside your body. In this chapter till now we have seen many internal organs like the stomach, small intestine, large intestine, lungs and heart. Today we are going to see the next internal organ which is very important for the body. They are the kidneys and the brain. Now kidney. What is the function of the kidney and why it is important? The kidney, there are two pairs of kidneys. Sorry, there is one pair of kidney, means two kidneys in our body. They are helping the body to remove the waste from the body in the form of urine. किडनीज इम्पॉर्टेंट क्यों है? क्योंकि हमारे बॉडी में जो भी वेस्ट प्रोडक्ट्स बन रहा है वो बॉडी से बाहर कौन निकाल रहा है? किडनीज निकाल रहा है. और ये वेस्ट प्रोडक्ट्स अगर बॉडी के अंदर रह जाता है तो इट बिकम्स पॉइजन फॉर द बॉडी. सो दिस हैज़ टू बी रिमूव्ड फ्रॉम द बॉडी विच द किडनी इज डूइंग. Now how the kidney is removing the waste products? The blood which is circulating all over the body, we have already seen by the veins and arteries. See here, the blue is the vein and red is the arteries. They collect all the waste materials from the body and bring it to the kidney. The kidneys, there is a network like structure. जैसे आपकी मम्मी चाय छानती है ना छलनी से, वैसे किडनी में भी छलनी जैसा स्ट्रक्चर है. So it filters the waste products, okay, and makes the blood pure. The pure blood is given, distributed in all the body through the artery, and whatever waste is produced, it is through this pipe. You are seeing here pipe. This is the ureter. It is brought here. There is a urinary bladder जहाँ पे यूरिन कलेक्ट होता है और पूरा वेस्ट प्रोडक्ट्स उसमें रहता है. एंड फ्रॉम दिस यूरिनरी ब्लैडर द वेस्ट प्रोडक्ट इज थ्रोन आउट ऑफ द बॉडी इन द फॉर्म ऑफ यूरिन. ओके, सी हियर. Your body also has a drainage system. This system is a pair of organs which is called the kidney. They collect the waste from the blood and throw it out as urine. Okay, and the shape of the kidney is like what? It is like a bean. बीन्स जो तुम लोग खाते हो, ठीक है, मम्मी से पूछना. इट इज़ दिस शेप. देखो द शेप ऑफ द किडनी इज ऑल्सो दिस वे. सो द kidneys, they are bean shaped structure and they are present at the back of the body. हमारे पीछे के तरफ किडनीज लोकेटेड है, जस्ट कमर के थोड़े अप ऊपर में, ठीक है. सो द किडनीज आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर द बॉडी. द नेक्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट ऑर्गन इज द ब्रेन. The brain coordinates all the work of the body. Means what we have to do, it decides, the brain decides. And the brain lies inside the skull. Means the brain is a very delicate organ. It is protected inside the skull. ठीक है. And the brain helps to learn, remember, speak, see, hear, digest your food, whether you have to walk, whether you have to run, all the things it is done by the brain. Like your heart, it has to pump blood. The stomach has to digest the food. You are feeling hungry, you are picking up the pen or pencil to write. All these things are decided by the brain. So the brain is also one of the most important internal organ of the body. It is the controlling center of the body. Okay, जैसे रिमोट कंट्रोल से टीवी कंट्रोल करते हो, सिमिलर वे द ब्रेन कंट्रोल्स ऑल द वर्किंग ऑफ द बॉडी. So these are the internal organs which we have to see in this chapter. Hope you have understood, students. Have a nice day. Thank you.